Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard. Widely recognized as the best ergonomic keyboard on the market, Microsoft's Sculpt for Windows computers is a standout choice for all-day comfort. The split keyboard design immediately assists in positioning your wrists into a more natural position rather than the straight-on approach favored by most keyboards. The domed structure helps maintain positioning throughout the day, keeping your wrists at a more relaxed angle, which helps eliminate the discomfort from other models. Beyond its split design, the natural arc keys mimic the curved shape of your fingertips to create a more natural look and feel, which increases overall comfort and reduces strain on your hands and wrists. Rounding out its ergonomic design is a cushioned palm rest that allows your wrists to relax and form a natural feel from your fingertips to your wrists. A separate number pad will enable you to choose its position for an ideal comfort level beside the Sculpt keyboard. Type: membrane connectivity, wireless receiver, Bluetooth, RGB, none 10 keys, yes. Palm rest, yes. Dedicated media controls, no. Number 2. Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. This ergonomic workhorse from Logitech has pulled out all the stops. The MX Ergo K860 looks set to become the front-runner for wireless workplace keyboards, featuring much of the tech used in their vaunted wireless MX Keys keyboard. The split layout of this particular keyboard can present a slight learning curve for users who aren't fluent touch typists, but it is easily one of the most comfortable and sleek keyboards available. The keyboard has Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity for either Windows or macOS and can reportedly operate for up to 2 years on a single pair of AAA batteries. The long battery life is undoubtedly a plus, but the lack of backlighting is a bit of a drag. The K860 features an integrated wrist rest that is among the most comfortable. While it does provide excellent support and is something of a necessity with ergonomic keyboards, the inability to separate the wrist rest from the keyboard itself could present a problem if it ever wears out, forcing you to buy a new unit altogether. The price may be steep, but wireless connectivity and extensive battery life make this ergonomic keyboard one of the best wrist-friendly options. Type: membrane connectivity, wireless receiver, Bluetooth, RGB, none 10 keys, yes. Palm rest, yes. Dedicated media controls, no. Number 3. Kinesis Advantage 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. Contoured ergonomic shape proven to increase comfort and productivity. Patented design features split keywells with concave shape, thumb keys, orthogonal layout, 20 degrees of tenting, and integrated palm supports with cushioned palm pads. Genuine Cherry mechanical switches for premium typing feel and performance. Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches feature a low activation force, tactile feedback, and are rated for 50 million key presses for unmatched durability. Full onboard programmability with the driverless Smart Set engine, custom layouts in QWERTY or Dvorak, on-the-fly macro recording, one-touch key remapping, Windows, Mac, PC modes, settings saved to keyboards for megabytes flash memory, Smart Setup GUI for Windows plug-and-play with all major operating systems, Windows 7 to 10, Mac OS X, Linux, Chrome. 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Buy with confidence knowing that Kinesis engineers all our products in the USA to the highest standards and stands behind them 100% since 1992. Number 4. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Apple computer users should look no further than the Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard with a bevy of Apple-specific keyboard shortcuts, including cut, copy, paste, and undo. Connecting to your Apple machine via Bluetooth 3.0, a single battery charge on the Kinesis should last around 300 hours or 6 months, based on 2 hours per day of typing. You'll immediately discover that the negative slope design reduces the required extension of your wrist to hit each key. Available with 3 different channels, the Bluetooth-based functionality allows for 3 devices to be synced at one time. Switching between the devices requires the single press of a key. Additional buttons include a shortcut for hiding and showing, the dock, and advanced multimedia playback and volume controls. Type: membrane connectivity, wireless receiver, RGB, none 10 keys, yes. Palm rest, yes. Dedicated media controls, yes. Number 5. Kinesis Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, gaming can take a toll on your wrists and hands. The Kinesis Freestyle Edge keyboard is here to keep you comfortable during all but the most intense gaming sessions. This keyboard has two separate pieces that can be placed in various configurations to feel more natural. The left section of the keyboard can be used on its own as a gamepad to make room for a larger mouse, microphone, or other equipment you may need. Both halves of the keyboard can be placed up to 20 inches apart for more comfortable typing and to make room for additional peripherals. The keyboard features Cherry MX Blue switches for a clicky, tactile response and durability. Each of the 95 keys can be custom backlit with over 16.8 million color combinations and 10 different effects. They can also be remapped on the fly with Kinesis SmartSet app, and up to 9 other user profiles can be stored in the keyboard's onboard for megabytes memory. This keyboard features plug-and-play functionality for Windows, Mac, and Linux-based systems, so you don't have to worry about downloading extra drivers or software. Type: mechanical connectivity, USB, RGB, per key 10 keys, yes, palm rest, yes, dedicated media controls, no,